What can we learn from nature? Nature is sometimes simple, but sometimes it's also extremely complex design that always gets men thinking. This can't just be a result of an accident or an explosion of some sort. There has to be an intelligent mind behind all of these wonders we see. Look at the symmetrical arrangement built into our frame as men. Look at the trees, the birds, the insects, beauty of marine life, and not forgetting artistic color playing in space and aurora magnificence around the world. All of nature have an inbuilt knowledge of how to go about its business to contribute to life. The plants, the animals never went to school, and I never heard when they were trained, but they understand the seasons and times, even to the point that men have to take lessons and clues from them to solve problems. Men are considered the most intelligent of all species on earth and perhaps beyond. With all our intellect and knowledge acquired, it is still a wonder that men can't accept themselves in their diversity. Let me explain what I just said. We all believe and agree that man was made from the soil or earth. From nature, we also understand that there are variations of the same species on the various continents. Nature has taught us beauty by varying the same species in different colors. Have you asked yourself why you would prefer or have the same design of an ice cream, or shirts, or car, or anything in different colors? The answer is beauty in diversity. A very complex aspect of the human being is the desire for something different and unique. That is why we easily get bored with the same color after some time, hence the need for variation. Imagine how the world would have been if everything was the same color, if everything was a box or sphere. The creator of the universe showed us how conflicting things could be harmonized. In color, we have complementary colors, which are known to conflict, hence the need for a neutralizing color to put such colors together in a color map. We have seen birds of different colors fly together, fish of all colors and types moving together, trees of all heights and shapes and colors on the same land, flowers with various color combinations creating a marvel to behold, and you wonder why people of complexion cannot accept each other. It is a shame. And it is a shame to human beings as apex of God's creation. Nature has showed us that beauty is in the variation. The creator of man put us in different complexion for beauty diversification. Imagine all people being brown or beige or tan. Where would the beauty in diversity be? Our differences in complexion shouldn't separate us and define us. It should rather unite us. We complement each other irrespective of our complexions, and no complexion is greater than the other because we are the human race. If the same species of birds, fish, lions, insects, etc. in different colors can live together, then it will be a very big shame that the most intelligent of all species on earth can't accept our complexional differences. It is indeed a shame. We can choose to segregate into various races based on complexion, but at the end of the day, we have one race, and we have the human race, and it's what matters. Each division of human race complements the other. Take a look at a child born of two complexional parents. They are such a beauty. Let's grow up and take our rightful place on earth as the intelligent species and come under the umbrella of the human race. The Creator is watching, and other species are watching. Come on, friend. You are my brother. a different complexion for beauty diversification. If the blood, heart, kidney, or liver of one race could be transferred to save another of a different race, then our skin pigments shouldn't be a barrier to separate us. If we all appreciate the beauty of the rainbow, the skies, flowers, butterfly, parrots, etc., we should appreciate the master artist for the variation in our skin pigment as men. The variation in our complexion is for diversity, not division. God has an eye for beauty like us human beings because He created us in His own image, hence the variation in our complexion. But one human race. Love your neighbor, love humanity, and love peace. God richly bless you.